Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to take a look at Voyager. We'll have a look at some key statistics first, and then we'll jump over to TradingView and do some price analysis against a few other pairs. I think we've got BTC, USDT and Ethereum. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. Voyager token, which is ticker VGX. Also on Binance, it is currently BQX. So if you've been looking on Binance and you can't find it, then look for that ticker BQX. We have a token price today of $1.22. Quite a significant amount up since the last time we did some price analysis, and that was only last week, so we've got a little bit more data to look into now. The total supply is 222.2 million VGX, and all of those are currently in circulation. 24 volume, we're getting around $30 million. We're quite a significant amount down from the last few days, 44% down, and that brings the market cap today to $275 million. It is currently ranked number 79 out of all cryptocurrencies, so it is a well-backed project. If you are looking to get hold of some VGX, or Voyager should I say, then these are the pairs on here. Just ignore the VGX there, because it is actually BQX still. Quite a few pairs we've got on Uniswap, DexTrade, Automize and Hit BTC. Hopefully it can spread its wings out a bit more and getting a few more exchanges in the long term. If we just look at the all-time highs, that was around $10 I believe. Yeah, $10. We're currently at 87% down from all-time highs, so you think it's done quite a significant rise recently, then wait till it start pushing back up to them all-time highs that we're being at. So that is some of the key stats. Let's have a look at some price analysis now. Here we have Voyager versus a dollar, and this is the daily time frame on Binance. I also, if you look on my right hand side here, I have BTC and Ethereum lined up, so we will go through all three pairs and have a look at some potential areas if you're looking to invest in them specific pairs. So we'll start off on this. Last time I did a video, we was around this daily level at 70 cents, and I did say the first target was $1. We may even been around this level, to be honest. But as you can see, we've popped up now, and what we can do now is move this level to its next target. So that is the next target, really, beating those yearly highs. Not quite all-time highs. Remember, all-time highs was at $10 back in time. So we are currently trading at $1.22. Let's just drop into the 4 hour, sorry. And we will put a little bit of a bearish scenario on this first, just so you can potentially place some buy orders at lower levels. So for this, as always, we'll use a Fibonacci. We will start off at the beginning of a move. So as you can see, we hit 78 cents, we drop back down, and then this was the start of a move from this weekly resistance support at 34 cents. So drop the fib on from there, and we'll finish a fib on these 2 wicks here, which is, you could say, was a double top, and then we retraced. If you're looking for entries, I always target the 236, the 382 and the 618 level. So currently the entire market is bullish. If you just look to the right hand side here, everything's going up, and you would expect that we continue this momentum. But just be wary of that. If BTC shits its pants, it could bring everything else down with it. So just be wary of that. So what we need to do is have a look at some potential areas to invest, and I would say this is the first level I would have some orders in. It's $1.01 you could call it, but I mean, you could bang some orders in at $1 and potentially this monthly support here at 93 cents. That's if the market does allow when we get a bit of a sell-off. So that is a current area to potentially place some orders down here if the market allows. So that is one buy zone, and then this is the next one really. I will mark both up just in case the market does turn a bit sour. So we have $1.02, and then we have this level of monthly support at, you could call that 93 cents. So there are 2 levels that you could potentially place some orders, and hopefully the market does allow, and it does get us some nice orders filled there. So that is some buy zones. If you are looking for targets going forward, then what you could do is target this minus 0.27 level on the fib at 172 as a first target. So we could have that there as a first target. And then also we have a 618 level at $2.10. And then we have also monthly resistance at $2.23. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move this target up. I'm just going to delete that. This is going to be my next target. So I'm going to put that as target 1. Once we do hit that level, I will jump into some further analysis and identify some more key levels above there. We'll mark that to a red line, make it look a bit like it's a target. We'll change a line there. So that is my level 1 target. Once we do hit that, I will do some more analysis. And I will, like I said on my last video, at $1 was my target. We smashed that, so now I'm doing some more analysis, and then that is the next targets going forward. So buy zones here in US dollars at $1.02 and potentially at 93 cents. If the market does allow. If not, then you're going to have to potentially place some orders here, depending how the daily candle closes today. And then the first target is $2.23 before I do some next videos. But this is a level here, minus 0.27 at $1.72. You could say that is the initial target, but that is my major target there. So that is a USDT pair. Let's have a look at the BTC pairing. I think not much has changed since last time I did this video. Let's have a look where we are. Yep, so I would have some buy zones here at the 382 level, which is 2,704 Satoshis. I think that could be a good level to buy in, but we just need to monitor BTC because that seems to be, I mean, it's not going up, it's not going down, it's just tinkering around its current prices. I mean, let's just have a quick look at BTC. Let's go back into the daily. We're in this area now, we're not even range bound yet, to be honest, so I mean, I wouldn't worry about that. Let's go back to BQX. We need BTC to stay stable, that's the ultimate thing. If that stays stable, then the BTC pairs are going to go up inevitably. That is what will happen. So, personally, I would potentially put some orders in at this level at 2,704 sats. I would also have some orders in here at the 236 level at 3,100 Satoshis because the market's looking good. I mean, Twitter is going mental with alt season now, so this could be the start of a major push, and hopefully we can start to get some orders filled. So, two potential buy zones there. First target is this 0.27 level at 4,475 Satoshis. What I'm going to do is have a big target here. I'm going to have 10,000 Satoshis as the next major level to target. But I know you might think that's a way off, but I mean, things can move in quick in crypto, so that is the first major target for me, hitting those levels up there. So that is your buy zone down here, these two levels, but monitor the price. If we just start pushing up, then potentially have some orders on the 236 level at 3,100 Satoshis. And then the first major target, 10,000 Satoshis. I think that is a good target to have, and hopefully we can start to push up there soon. So next up, we will have a look at the Ethereum pair, if people are trading in Ethereum. I have not actually looked at this pair before, so as you can see, that has gone projectile. I've not gotten at any support and resistance levels here, so what I'm going to do is just drop into a 4-hour time frame and potentially place some buy orders in. So if you use a fib from the start of a move there, up to the top, we didn't quite get a double top, but we are starting to retrace, and then it looks like again we've bounced off this 0.236 level at 9,876 Satoshis. Looking for investments, not Satoshis, Gwei, sorry. If you're looking for buy orders, place them at the 382 level at 8,572 Gwei. I think that could be a good area to potentially put some orders in. And then if the market does start pushing up, then use a 236 level, and that could be 9,876. So they are two levels that you could target for buy zones. We have currently bounced up off that area, so we may not revisit it, but you never know, we could take a little bit of a drop if Ethereum starts pushing up. It could hammer it against that pairing. And then the first target is here at 14,395. So that is the first major target on the Ethereum pair. So we'll just mark that up there. So that is both pairs, sorry, all three pairs to be honest. That is a BTC pair, a USDT pair, and the Ethereum pair. So hopefully we can hit some of these orders if you've missed the boat. I think $1 is quite an attractive area for some people to get some orders to place. So keep your eyes out on that. Put some orders in. If unfortunately you can't fill some orders in that area and the price starts pushing up, then give me a shout in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops, and I will drop some fastball TA in there with some potential new levels that you could get. You will find the link to the Crypto Troops in the pinned comment. and in the description, along with many other links if you'd like to check out any of my affiliate programs that are going on. So that's going to do it for today's video. That is some fresh analysis on Voyager. Like I say, jump into my Telegram group if you've got any questions with regards to my TA or new entry levels. That will do it for today. Please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.